Watch the movie until the end before proceeding with the installation. You will see how to perform the installation and how to rectify typical mistakes. The package also includes an anti-bubble card, a set of wipes, and a dust fix, a dust removal pad. First clean the screen with the wet wipe, then with the dry cloth. This is a very important stage as the screen must be cleaned before installation. Align the screen protector with the loudspeaker and camera openings. Remove the backing tape from the fit-in stickers and stick them on the phone. Remove the glass backing film using the dust fix pad. Clean the screen again. Place the glass film on the screen using a left-to-right action. Position it carefully on the screen, and if it's aligned, smooth it down with your finger. If there are any air bubbles, use the dry cloth and the anti-bubble card to remove them. Remove the front protective layer using sticker number 3. If there are any air bubbles, raise the edge or the corner of the glass that is closest to the bubble. You can remove and reposition the glass several times using the fit-in stickers. Any residual dust under the glass can be removed using the dust fix pad. Raise the glass and use the sticky side of the dust fix pad to remove the dust. You can repeat this several times.